Mr. Parrot and his hard-working father were building a bridge over a wild river to help their village. Suddenly, a giant dragon emerged and dragged his father into the deep water. Parrot tried to save him, but the dragon struck him away with its heavy tail. Driven by revenge, he took shelter in an ancient wrestling club and began training to fight underwater. He practiced holding his breath and ran on the riverbed with heavy iron weights on his back to endure the water pressure. He grew into a powerful man with a chest like a shield. Finally, Mr. Parrot returned to the river with a sharp dagger. He fought the dragon, killed it, and took revenge for his father's death.